Good morning, students. Students, let us revise chapter number 7, congruency. What is mean by congruency? Congruency means if two shapes or two figures are having same measurement, means their measurement of their sides and angles are equal. So they are said to be congruent figures or congruent shapes. Okay. What is the condition for congruency of triangle? Two identical triangles having all three sides and all three angles exactly the same sizes. Okay. Here is one example that ABC and PQR. Their angles are equal. Their length of measurement of sides are equal. Measurement of their sides are also equal. So these two figures or these two triangles ABC are said to be congruent. Okay. Now, why they are congruent? Because their corresponding angles are equal. Corresponding angle of angle A is angle P. Corresponding angle of angle B is angle Q. Corresponding angle of angle C is angle R. In this way, we can say angles are correspondent. Okay. And corresponding sides of AB is, corresponding side of AB is PQ. Corresponding side of BC is QR. Corresponding side of AC is PR. So in this way, corresponding angles and we got the corresponding sides. So in this way, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR. Okay. Now, what are the conditions for congruency of triangles? There are various types of conditions like SAS, angle, side, side, okay, and RHS. So side, angle, side. If two sides and one included angle of one triangle is equals to two sides and one included angle of another triangle, so both the triangles are said to be congruent. If two angles and one included side is equal to the corresponding to the another triangle, so the triangle is said to be congruent by SA angle side angle criterion of the triangle. Side. If all the sides of first triangle is equals to the corresponding to all the sides of another triangle, so those triangles are said to be congruent to each other. RHS, right hypotenuse side. So let us discuss about this condition RHS, right hypotenuse side. What is mean by right? Right means which makes 90-degree angle. Hypotenuse means side opposite to the 90-degree angle and side and one side. Suppose this ABC and this is PQR. Okay. This makes 90-degree angle. This is 3. This is 2 centimeter. Okay. So, angle B corresponding to angle Q. BC corresponding to RQ. And this AC corresponding to PR. Because this is hypotenuse. The side opposite to 90-degree angle is known as hypotenuse. So these are congruent by RHS criterion, right hypotenuse side criterion. Okay, because it makes 90-degree angle and here is one hypotenuse which is equals to corresponding to another triangle. Hypotenuse of first triangle corresponding to hypotenuse of another triangle, and this side is also equal. So in this way, these two triangles are congruent by RHS criterion. Understood this thing? PQR. Okay. So these are the criterion which we have already studied. Okay. in this way you have to observe that are their angles corresponding to each other, are their sides corresponding to each other. Now most important thing is that you have to observe if angles are equal but their measurement of sides are not equal, so those triangles are not congruent. See how. If I make, suppose this is 60 degree, this is 105 degree, this is 60 degree, this is 90 degree, this is 105 degree. Suppose A, B, C. It is just an example, okay? P, Q, R. These two triangles are not congruent. ABC is not congruent to triangle PQR. Why? Because if I put this ABC into this or this PQR onto this ABC triangle, so it will not completely merge into this ABC, okay? Because measurement of their sides are different. Angles are same, but measurement of their sides are different. So it will not fulfill the definition of congruency. Congruency means they are of same size and measurement of their sides must be same, okay? Definition of congruency is they must be of same length, same size, but they are of different measurement. They are not having same size, okay? So both the triangles are not congruent. So if angles are same but their sides are not same, so we can't say they are congruent. They will not congruent, okay? So in this way, remember this thing. We can give I can give any figure to you in the exam, so remember this thing, okay? So revise all these congruency criterion and solve questions related to it. If you have any doubt, then you can ask. Thank you.